Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get baskets fast in the DANDYS World Easter event, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to get the baskets, make sure you watch the video up until the end, but anyways, let's get straight into it. So in order to get the baskets, there are a few methods of trying to do this. The first method you guys can do is by simply purchasing the baskets, or you can also do this daily quest as well. You guys can go ahead and wait log in each day to collect the Easter eggs. That's the first way. The second method you guys can do is by simply purchasing them by clicking on the thing. You can purchase the egg baskets from there as well. And the final and most important method is by just going over to the Easter floor and doing the Easter event. That is going to be the fastest way of getting the baskets, so I highly recommend doing that. Now there are also going to be like these things as well, which you can get from that as well. The Easter, it's going to be like a Easter egg, and you can also get baskets from that as well. So that should basically be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.